Alright, Sam, what are we doing?
We're throwing water and seeing what happens, but this isn't hot water. We're going to try hot water out.
This is cold.
Nothing happened.
Fantastic, let's go.
Oh, we got 44 more seconds.
Okay, good, because it's warm in here.
3. No, we need 3.
Hi, Chia. Hi. Chase you.
No, she loves me. She's just not feeling the love right now.
Not feeling the love?
Okay.
Gosh, she's videotaping your boobies, sorry.
Can your camera see?
Kind of. Vaguely. 3, 2, 1!
Ooh, it's definitely boiling. I'm scared.
Don't die. It's a plow truck!
Oh, it's steaming. Okay.
Alright, do this.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I see this!
See that? Oh my god. Can you see that? Can we do that again? Can I do it so I feel like Jesus? Yes! Alright, I'm gonna stop videotaping it. It's gonna take like 4.